Hi crocheters of the world, this is, let's say, kind of second part of the hat with the brioche, crochet brioche stitch, because it, so I working, let's say, at the hat, I thought it would be just perfect a neck warmer. And yes, this is the neck warmer. So in this tutorial we will work on the neck warmer. First of all, I will show you a very lovely and good and a nice way, perfect way of beginning this kind of large circumferences. So when you're working round and you need, can you see it? It's so elastic. So it's not a normal chain. You will see in the tutorial. Then of course we will go ahead and work exactly the same stitch that we worked here. And as you remember, you have at the end of this tutorial, you have the tutorial of the hat. So in the video on the screen, actually, you have the tutorial of the hat. So you just click on it and go ahead and see it. And with this version that I shown you at the end of the hat, I worked this part. Look at it, isn't it just lovely? So we use beautiful colors and you will just end up with a matching set. Lovely. Let's begin, sorry. So now for the hat I put 96 chain. So I finished with 96 stitches. So for the neck warmer I will work with 4mm hook, not with 3.5, because I needed more light, let's say a nice and light texture. And I will work, yes, with 4mm, and I will put 100, so only 4 more stitches I will add, but I will begin with the elastic single crochet. Let me show you how to work it. Chainless, it's a chainless beginning. Now for each 10 stitches, chain stitches that you want to put, you will do this. So it's like this, you keep, and I will 1, this is for 10 stitches, okay? So wow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Keep here your finger, pinch actually, and now we will just want to work our slip knot to begin. Okay, this is my slip knot and I am ready to begin. So I have the yarn that I measured and the yarn that comes from the skein. Now, okay, from the skein, and now with the yarn that we just measured, we just put it over the hook like this. We keep it nice and tight here, and with the yarn that comes from the skein, yarn over and pull through 2, because actually it's a single crochet. Now we will continue on like this, a loop with the yarn that we measured and yarn over, pull through 2, loop, pull through 2, loop, pull through 2, and we go ahead and work the number of chains, actually of stitches, that we want to put. In my case they are 11. Oh sorry, yes, it would be just quickly. In my case there are 100, so go ahead and work, I don't know, as many as you think. So circumference of your head, or the head that, I don't know, you want to work for, the person that want to work for, and plus, let's say 4 to 5 centimeters, okay, for a nice neck warmer, not large but perfect. Okay, now I will meet you when I finish all my 100 stitches to show you how to begin. It is really easy, and you will have a nice and elastic beginning, and you will just love it for this project, this kind of project. Even for a bottom up hats you can use it. It's really nice. Okay. So I finished mine. I have 100 here, and look a little bit carefully. So this is the right side, and you have this V like this, and this is the wrong side. So it's absolutely easy to understand which side we have. And with the wrong side facing us, we just want to join. Just be sure you have all of it with the wrong side. Insert your hook and slip stitch as you normally would to join. Okay, perfect. Now for the very first round we will chain 1 and we will work like this: single crochet into the first stitch, double crochet into the second stitch. Go ahead and work like this all around: single, double, single, double. Okay, all around. If we begin with a single crochet, obvious that we finish with a double crochet. Insert hook into the single crochet and slip stitch to join, chain 1 and single crochet into the single crochet and a front post double crochet into the double crochet. So we just work from this second row, we just begin to work our pattern stitch. Okay, so double crochet, front post double crochet into the single crochet, single crochet. And I will go ahead and work like this for 4 totally rows, 1 rounds. So this is the first. I will count this one as the first, and I will work 3 more, and then I will switch to, so I want to change color, but also the stitches through between them. You know, as I shown you at the end of the hat tutorial. Now I want to work just like this. Okay, go ahead and work this first pattern stitch row. Look at it. So it's really easy. This kind of beginning, it's elastic, it's just perfect for hats, bottom up hats, as I said, so just keep it in mind, it will be useful. Now I work 3, not 4, because 4 is too much. It's actually you to decide on yours. And I pinch here, you know, for the knot, and I switch to the other color that I want to put on, and I'm ready to begin to work. Obvious, the same, it's exactly the same thing, only that now work the last again, and as I said, I'm ready to begin to work the same thing, only that chain 1, yarn over, around my single crochet I will double crochet, so only this row is, and then into the double crochet I single crochet. Go ahead and work like this, the first, and then you will work exactly the same thing. So into the front post double crochet, you front post double crochet, into the single crochet, you single crochet. It's like this. Okay, so there is no rule here, so you just use your fantasy for the color, changing color and switching between these 2 stitches. It looks fantastic, and it's even a easy pattern, but it looks really great. And work it as long as you want it to be, your neck warmer. I will show you mine at the end, how it looks. That's it. So as I promised, here I am with my neck warmer ready. It is in length about 18 centimeters and 56 centimeters circumference. This is how it looks. I worked these two stripes with the normal, let's say, and then this long stripe. This is really lovely. It looks so fantastic. And then I work exactly as the beginning. These two stripes at the beginning I finished with. What can I say? I love it. It is really lovely. It's not that difficult. It's a stitch that you will just adore. So don't forget to subscribe if you like my tutorials, and try to share my videos on other socials with your friends, and like my videos if you like them. Bye!